Are you looking to add more style to your Mazda 3 hatchback? Well, stay tuned, because in this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to install a Mazdaspeed spoiler on your Mazda 3.
I'm JP, and here I do car reviews, car mods install, mod reviews, and pretty much anything in between. So if you like that kind of content, consider subscribing and joining the community. This is Driving Production.
Welcome back to another episode of Driving Production. So if you've been following the channel for a while, you might have noticed that I've actually had the Mazdaspeed spoiler on my Mazda 3. I wanted to share with you guys how to remove the spoiler and how to install it. The reason I'm going to be doing it today is just to hook up the rear brake light, because I never hooked it up. I just kept the OEM brake light from the Mazda 3. So let's get right into it. Alright, so once the plastic trim is removed from the rear trunk area, all that's really left to do is to remove the two 10mm nuts, and then we can unplug the rear brake lights if you're planning on connecting the Mazdaspeed spoiler. If you're not planning on connecting the rear brake light, you can just leave that one connected.
Every time I need a rescue, hanging on the verge of breakdown. Even though I try to replace you, but loneliness makes me break down.
With the spoiler removed, I cut the brake light connector off since unfortunately it doesn't connect to the stock harness. Then I'm removing the brake light completely to prepare it for paint.
Every time I need a rescue, hanging on the verge of breakdown.
With the brake light dry, I can reinstall everything back together.
Loneliness makes me break down. Every time I need a rescue, hanging on the verge of breakdown. Waiting for a touch, you say.
Now I'm connecting the black wire with the white one, and the purple wire with the white with a black stripe.
Nothing could really take your place.
And that's how you install a Mazdaspeed spoiler on a Mazda 3. Honestly, I'm really excited on how things turned out with the red top tail light. I think it matches really nicely the tail lights and the brake calipers. It brings out a little bit of red in the car, and I think that's great. So that's pretty much it for the episode today. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.